Stochastic indicator. A stochastic oscillator is a popular technical indicator for generating overbought and oversold signals. It is a popular momentum indicator first developed in the 1950s. Stochastic oscillators tend to vary around some mean price level since they rely on an asset's price history. So let me show you what is a stochastic indicator. So this is how a stochastic indicator looks like. This is the bar chart, and this is the stochastic indicator. So these two lines, when they touch the oversold zone here, and after hitting the oversold zone, they started going up. And you can see on the chart that yes, market started also going up. And when the stochastic was in overbought territory, or this, it started going down. This again, when it started going up, market went up, and when market started going down, stochastic indicator given uh, as a clear signal that yes, market is about to go down. Again, when market started climbing upward, stochastic indicator also started going up. And when market went down, stochastic indicator also gave us a signal that yes, market is about to go down. So whenever there will be a crossover like this towards the downside, means that market is going down or about to go down. And when there will be a crossover and it will start going upward, it will indicate that yes, there is a high chance that market is about to go up. So this is how a stochastic indicator works, and it looks like. Again, one more example. Oversold zone, and see after that it started going up. When it hit the overbought territory, it started going down. And see, it started going down. And after hitting this point, when the market was in oversold zone, it started going up, and stochastic also gave us a signal that yes, market is about to go up. So stochastic indicator mainly helps us to identify the overbought and oversold zones in the market. They help us see, because suppose a market is going like this, you'll have no idea when the market will be in overbought zone. So after reaching the overbought zone, then you can be ready that okay, right now the market is in overbought zone, so soon enough market will be going down, because whenever market is overbought zone, I've already mentioned market goes down. Whenever market is in oversold zone, market starts going up. So this is how stochastic works. Let me show you in live chart also. This is the okay. This is chart of dollar Japanese yen. This is the stochastic indicator. This is the candlestick chart, and you can see market was in oversold zone, and after it started going up. Here, when market was almost in overbought zone, it started going down, and stochastic also given us a signal that yes, market is about to go down. When market was in oversold territory, market was oversold and started going upward. Stochastic also gave us a signal that yes, market has reached the oversold zone and it's time to go up. So you must be thinking that so it is very easy for us to trade if we have indicators like RSI, MACD, or stochastic, but it is not true always, because see, these indicators are lagging indicators. They also produce false signals. So suppose market has reached here. See, after that, if you would have short the market here, then you would have your stop loss would have been hit, because after that it started going up also. So there are certain factors that you must consider apart from indicators also, that I'll be telling you in detail when I'll be sharing you trading strategies. Suppose just let me give a small example. This is a rejection point. This is also a rejection point. Okay. So what is common in between these 2 points? In between these 2 points, this is a resistance. It's not it. See, market bounce. Sorry, reverse from here. So this kind of resistance for us for market. Okay. So whenever market gave us a signal that or stochastic gave us a signal market is in overbought zone, we should wait, because we know it very well that if market because market will always try to go towards the resistance to break. Okay, and that's what happened. Again, from here market started going to this side, and from here market started going down. So what would have been the best position? Our best position would have been to wait for stochastic to go to the overbought zone again, when the market would have been in our favor, when the market would have been in the resistance zone. So after seeing this candle, we could have short the market around here. This would have been the perfect entry to yes, perfect entry. This would have been a perfect place to short the market instead of here. So indicators are good, they are like your friends, but you cannot rely on indicators all the time. Okay, I'm just explaining you because if you're a trader, you must know everything. You should have idea of the indicators, charts, and all. That's why I'm explaining you. But when you'll be developing your own strategy, or you'll be following my strategies, then you'll see that apart from indicators, we'll be using some price action also, because you cannot rely on indicators solely, or because if you rely on indicators fully on or 100%, then it is very tough to generate money on a regular basis. So hopefully you'll have understood how stochastic works. You can see again when it was in oversold zone here. After this, just look at the move, big move, and when after few hours from this overbought zone, when it started going down, stochastic also gave us a clear signal that yes, it's time to pack it back. We need to go down. Okay. Again, from here, when market started going downward, stochastic gave us a signal that yes, get ready to go down. That's it. So this is how stochastic indicator works. It is an oscillator indicator. It moves from the overbought zone to the oversold zone, oversold zone to the overbought zone. And again, do not rely on indicators 100% because they also generate false signals. Apart from the indicators, or if you use indicators, when you will be using indicators, don't forget to use your analysis also, because analysis is important. Okay, there are several factors that you need to consider before executing a trade. So hopefully you'll have received a fair idea about stochastic indicator. Thank you so much.